Morning! We are in Oriental Hotel in Palo Leyte. We're going to have breakfast. It's a beautiful hotel here, guys. Resort.
Morning.
Morning!
Morning.
What room are you, sir?
Room 709 and 706.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wil je?
Ja, ook maar een paar. Ik pak het wel in.
Nog veel?
Ja, nog één. Jo.
So ayan, it's breakfast time. Masarap na yung pagkain. Maganda pa yung view. Tingnan nyo yung view namin sa MacArthur Park. Ayan. Leyte Oriental yung hotel. Ang ganda, di ba, ng view? Ayan, guys. Super ganda. Oh. So, ayan, naglibot kami dito sa Oriental Hotel. Malaki pala dito yung resort nila. Merong ibang building pala, nasa kabila kami. Tapos dito meron din silang swimming pool, ganun. So, ayan. Dito to sa Palo Leyte, sa may MacArthur Park. Yeah, there's water there. Already got there low po. So, you can naar the boulevard. Kom, baka ifazol ka.
Ja,
Tapos pupunta kami sa may boulevard para makita natin yung dagat. O, diba? Ang ganda ng view. Dati, wala pa itong... Hindi pa to ganito yung hitsura. Siguro dahil nung nayulanda. So, ayan guys. We're back in our room. Andito na yung makeup artist ko. Charot. Kasi, magnininang ang peg. First time magninang. Kaya umuwi ng Pinas. So, ayan. So, ayan si Mr. mag-swimming siya. Maganda yung ano namin, yung room namin. Paglabas ng kwarto, ito agad yung makikita mo, may swimming pool, di ba? Parang mayroon kaming private pool.
Water? Hate of cow.
Nee, lekker.
Yeah. Okay.
So, we're going to Palu. Miesta. Palo Leyte. To my brother.
Mopay na patron. Happy Fiesta. Charot. Hoy, agi. Hoy, bless anak. Bless. That's uncle. Bless. This is my first cousin, mother's side.
Let's sing, Red. Red, what?
Ano na? Atara.
Hallo.
Ronald. Kuya Nuno.
Huh?
Kuya Lolo.
Kuya Nono. Okay, hello, nice to meet you.
Oo nga yan.
Balik, an timano, an karkayakan.
We're done eating. So we're going back to the hotel.
You change your clothes. Oh, you know, maybe it's fine.
We're back in the hotel. Ngayon, may make-upan na ako guys. Magtututbrush muna. Tapos make-upan. Mag-prepare na. Kasi mag-nininang. Tapos si Mr. naman ay magninong. So, ayan guys. I have a beautiful skin tone na guys. Brown na talaga ako. I love it. Ay, sus, paringin ako mga burlol.
Hi everybody!
Pagpakilala.
Hi, I am Rap Delicano from Pastrana Leyte, and for today's video, magme-makeup kami.
If you need a makeup artist, feel free to contact. Ikuan.
Rap Delicano.
You can find him on Facebook.
Yes. Magyayapan ako. Abot magyayapan ka. Mag-vlog ko nga man.
Kulungan.
What you gonna do? I don't wanna be the one who just keeps on chasing you, baby. But you know it's true. I'm not like the other girls, baby. Don't get it confused. You gotta work to call me your own.
Look up
Ain't
mo.
no doubt about it. Don't call me up when you feel alone, 'cause I can't do without it. Tell me what's the move? I can't do this anymore. Need something new. Show me that you want me to. Oh, I'm starting to get bored, so in motion. I need more, not your ordinary girl. No.
Okay.
I'm not your ordinary girl, no. 'Cause I know you love the attention. But you know, I'm on a mission. Yeah, I know, you love the attention. But I don't.
So, ayan. Andito na tayo sa church. Yung mga flower girls ang nakikita nyo. Tapos, ito pala ang kasal ng aking pamangking ko sa pinsan. Yung lalaki yung pamangking ko. So, ayan na yung bride. Ninang ako at saka ninong si Mr. Kaya napauwi kami ng Pinas nang wala sa plano. So, ayan na yung groom. Yan yung pamangking ko sa pinsan. Ayan. si Mr. O, makikita nyo agad yung walang buhok doon na maputi. So, yan.